Bring it down easy, watch the clearance.
Copy that. Unit 22 is clear for processing.
This isn't just the story of a dead battery. This is a story of resurrection. Somewhere, a discarded EV battery pack sits in a landfill containing nearly $10,000 worth of raw materials. Lithium, cobalt, nickel. Precious metals worth more than gold, just hidden inside a black box that most people throw away. Today, we're going to follow that battery through 7 transformative stages, as it gets recycled, reformed, and reborn, ready to power the next generation of electric vehicles. Let's watch this incredible journey unfold.
Inventory confirmed for batch 42.
All right. Looks good. Move it to stage 3.
All materials verified. The checklist is complete.
We are ready for thermal treatment.
Confirmed weight, 50 pounds. Batch verified. All materials accounted for.
Here we see professional batch management in action, and materials are categorized by processing number and type for maximum efficiency.
All checks complete. This lot is approved for thermal treatment.
All batches confirmed and secured, ready for transfer.
Pushing to the thermal zone now.
Control to floor team, adjust delivery timing for batch 47. We are initiating the thermal sequence in 20 minutes. Ensure the AGV is aligned.
As you can see on the panel, the thermal processing is stable, holding precisely at the target temperature of 1200 Celsius.
Control, this is station 3. Cycle complete, initiating cool down sequence now. Temperatures are dropping as expected. I'm checking the consistency and color grade now, then we'll run the XRF for elemental composition. The data confirms the required specifications.
All parameters for the black mass are met. The purity levels are confirmed.
Approved.
As you can see, all incoming black mass is categorized immediately upon arrival. Batches 4 through 6 are ready for the next processing phase.
Once the batches pass final quality inspection, they are transferred for mechanical separation, completing the preparation phase.
Batch 1 is en route to separation. Increase vibrator frequency by 5 Hz. All positioning procedures are complete. We are ready for the mechanical phase.
Confirmed. Engaging separation sequence.
This state-of-the-art facility is designed for efficiency, ensuring every valuable fraction is collected and categorized.
The black mass is prepared. Now we initiate the chemical leaching stage, carefully introducing the reagents to recover the critical metals.
We are now beginning the material transport phase, moving the first batches toward the leaching equipment for processing.
Materials loaded and secured. Go ahead and start the agitators.
Initiating sequence now. Levels look good.
Through a synchronized network of conveyors and robotic sorters, materials are efficiently separated, minimizing waste and maximizing recovery.
Through air classification, the carbon-rich fraction is isolated. The recovered graphite is meticulously organized and identified by our batching.
All materials undergo rigorous inspection, ensuring they meet the precise specifications required for hydrometal. We've reached the saturation point. Concentration is stable at 1.73 grams per liter. Initiating the transfer sequence now.
We're initiating the impurity removal stage now.
The pH needs to stabilize at 4.5 before we add the precipitant.
As you can see, the membrane has successfully captured the undissolved solids, leaving us with a pure, metal-rich.
The XRF results confirm high purity. We have enough for the next batch.
Noted. Moving to precipitation.
Vacuum filtration allows for the efficient separation of the desired precipitate from the mother liquor, which retains the dissolved metals.
Precipitates are scraped and collected, then carefully sorted and labeled by metal type for professional storage.
With a verified purity exceeding 99.8%, these materials meet the highest specifications for release. Quality approved.
As you can see, all leached materials are categorized here, ready for the electrowinning process.
First, we carefully position the cathode and anode, ensuring proper spacing. After pouring the electrolyte,
Verification confirms our closed-loop system achieves an unprecedented 99.8% efficiency.
we conduct rigorous quality verification. These materials have passed all specifications, confirming their battery-grade quality for manufacturing.
Manifest confirms all items present. 5 crates total. Noted.
Tracking numbers entered. Ready for transport. Seal is applied and secured.
Verified. Ready for departure.
This battery doesn't end in a landfill. It gets packaged, shipped to a battery factory, and becomes part of a new battery pack. The circle is complete. Zero waste, complete recovery. If you're amazed by industrial processes like this, hit that like button. Drop a comment what material surprised you most. And subscribe for more mind-blowing factory documentaries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.